Emergencies can unfold in seconds. Whether it's a medical crisis, a fire, a security breach, or a community threat, every moment matters. What if the first on scene wasn't a person, but a drone? Drone as first responder programs use strategically placed drones that launch immediately after a call for help. Within minutes, responders from dispatchers to field units are seeing the incident in real time, gathering situational awareness needed to act faster and smarter. The advantages span across public safety: faster response times, critical situational awareness for police, fire, EMS, or security teams, safer decisions that reduce risk for responders and the public, and efficient use of resources. Launching a DFR program takes planning. Agencies and organizations must work within regulatory guidelines, ensure secure data and connectivity, and balance privacy and public trust. Proper training, policy development, and community engagement are essential to long-term success. For those considering DFR, it starts with clear protocols for deployment, reliable technology and infrastructure, trained personnel, and sustainable funding. At Covered 6, we understand that DFR programs are more than just drones. They require seamless integration across technology, training, and operations. From rooftop docks to dispatch centers, from video feeds to secure networks, we have the ability to bring every layer together. Our background across public safety and security means we know what works in the real world. We design solutions that fit directly into your mission. Drone as first responder isn't the future, it's happening now. Faster response times, better information, safer outcomes. With Covered 6 as your partner, you can be ready from day one.